Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we make sense of the crazy world of corporate finance and give you the real scoop. Today we're diving into LZG International's latest report. And let's just say things are getting interesting with some new leadership in place. Before we dig in, if you like getting straight talk on company filings and what they really mean for your investments or just your general curiosity, hit that subscribe button. Also, we have a fantastic community growing on Discord where we break down these reports even further. All the details are in the description below. So what exactly is LZG International up to? Well, this report is all about some pretty significant leadership changes. It seems like a big shuffle is happening behind the scenes to get the company moving forward. First up, the shareholders have voted to bring in a new independent director, Mr. John New. Now, John isn't just your average board member. He's a former US Army captain with over 25 years of experience in leadership and business. He's actually a co-founder and former CEO of a company called The Hub, which sounds like a cool meeting space platform. On top of that, he's involved with an organization called 98 Octane. This is a really interesting venture. 98 Octane is focused on helping military members, veterans, and first responders live better lives through wellness programs and education. They're even using advanced technology like human-centered AI, which is a forward-thinking approach to improving physical and mental health for those who serve. This shows a commitment to making a real difference beyond just business as usual. But the news doesn't stop there. Mr. New in his new role has already made a key appointment. He's brought in Mr. William Vastidis to be the new Chief Executive Officer of LZG International. William Vastidis is a seasoned veteran in the financial world. He's been in the fund administration industry since way back in 1978, and he retired as the chairman of Conifer Financial Services. Conifer was a big deal, managing a massive $110 billion in assets before it was acquired by SS&C Technologies. Before that, Mr. Vastidis was president and CEO of Vastidis Capital Services, showing a strong history of leading and growing financial firms. His experience in global financial operations, risk and compliance is exactly what a company needs to navigate complex markets and regulations. The company also mentioned they released a letter from their new leadership to the stockholders. This letter essentially lays out the vision and plans going forward. While we don't have the full details of that letter here, it's filed as an exhibit to this report, and it indicates they are actively communicating their strategy to investors. This filing also includes a list of exhibits. The most important one here is Exhibit 99.1, which is the stockholder letter dated August 20, 2025. This is where you'd expect to find the direct communication from the new leadership about their priorities and outlook for LZG International. Swift bias John New Swift. Finally, the report is signed, and here we see the signature from John New as the sole independent director. This officially marks the new era for LZG International with these leadership changes. Now, looking at this report from a broader perspective, LZG International is clearly making a strategic move to bring in experienced leadership. The appointment of John New and William Vastidis suggests a focus on stability, growth, and perhaps expanding their reach or improving their operations. Mr. New's background in leadership and his dedication to wellness initiatives with 98 Octane might signal a broader corporate social responsibility focus, or a unique angle for the company. Mr. Vastidis' deep experience in financial services and managing large assets is a strong signal that the company is looking for solid financial management and perhaps aiming for significant growth or restructuring. A key challenge for LZG International moving forward will be to integrate this new leadership effectively and translate their experience into tangible results for the company and its shareholders. The market will be watching closely to see how this new direction plays out. Are they looking to acquire new businesses, stabilize existing ones, or innovate in new areas? Without specific financial tables in this particular filing, it's hard to get a read on their current financial health, but the leadership changes themselves speak volumes about their intentions for the future. So what's my take? This is a company clearly in transition. The new leadership team brings a wealth of experience and a drive that seems promising. The focus on veterans and wellness through 98 Octane is a unique differentiator and could attract a specific investor base or customer segment. However, the real test will be execution. Can they leverage their combined expertise to drive profitability and growth? The lack of detailed financial figures in this specific Form 8K means we'll need to wait for subsequent filings like a 10Q or 10K to truly assess their financial performance and the impact of these leadership changes. Alright, that's our breakdown of this LZG International filing. What do you think about these new appointments and the company's potential direction? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this insight helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Your support really helps us continue to bring you these deep dives. And don't forget to subscribe for more corporate analysis. Make sure to check out our Discord community for even more discussions and insights linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.